Okay, language explorers, let's look at today's Tuesday verb. So, admit, admit, admit. To confess about something. I'll admit I know the answer. I'll admit I know the answer. I need to admit it. Admit it. I don't know the answer. I'll admit, confess, I don't know. To say whether something is right, wrong, true, or false, we have to admit the truth. They'll soon admit to their lie. Yes, to admit to their lie, what is wrong, what's false. Yes, right. Oh no, hold on. Right and wrong. I have to admit something. To confess. I have a secret to tell you. I want to admit my feelings. I have to admit tea is better than coffee. I have to admit tea is better than coffee. There you go. How cool is that? I have to admit something. I've got a secret to tell you. Yes, a secret to tell you. He admits it all now. They are going to admit to their crimes. They are going to admit their crimes. Yes, they are going to admit their crimes. They're going to admit their crimes. Yeah. How cool is that? So that means that we say then, I admit, you admit, they admit, it admits, he admits, she admits. Yeah. He admits to his mistakes. He admits to his mistakes. She admits him. She admits her love to him. Okay? It can only admit the truth. Yeah, it can only admit the truth. That machine can only tell you the truth. That machine can only tell you the truth. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, he admitted that he did it. He admitted that he did it. He admitted that he does not know. He admitted he doesn't know. He wants to admit his flaws, his weaknesses, the things, his mistakes, what makes him weak. She wants to admit her love. Yes, she needs to admit her addiction. Admit her addiction, something they need, crave, always want and always have to have. The addiction. How cool is that? I am not admitting anything. Nothing. I'm not telling you anything. I'm not telling you anything. I'm not admitting anything to you. No way. I am not admitting anything. Yeah. Yes. And there is one choice. He must admit to his decision. He has to admit to the mistakes he made. Yes. He has to admit his flaws. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. 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 How cool is that? So, admit, to confess about something, to say whether it is right, wrong, true, or false. Yeah. How cool is that? So, admit. So, can you use admit in a sentence? Comment below. And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. Move that. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Yeah. Just search for Adrian Nanchev. No, search for English with Adrian. There we are. English with Adrian. And you can find me on YouTube. Search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.